Are you looking for new business opportunity in 2026 and a smarter way to start making money? Then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Matteo, and for the past 5 years, I have been in China running an international business trading. On this channel, I share real opportunities about international trading, especially those connected to China. In this video, I'm going to talk about why China is considered the new marketplace in 2026, what this means for entrepreneurs, and common misunderstanding about Chinese market and what is coming up on this channel. So if you don't know where to start, stay with me because this video is going to help you begin your business journey in China. Let's go. So you have probably already heard about China being the center of all the marketplace in the world, and people are coming to China to do their business. So why is China considered the new marketplace in 2026? It's simply because China has developed a new business ecosystem such as manufacturing, technology, supply, logistics, and global shipping. Secondly, China offers speed and scale. It simply means that any product you want can be developed, produced, and shipped quickly, so you can receive your goods on time. Another reason why China is the new marketplace is because there is cost efficiency. What does it mean? Let me explain. If you want to do business in China, you do not need a huge capital to start. You can start by placing small orders and scale up with time, and that privilege you can only get it in China. One important reason why China is the new marketplace in 2026 is because the global demand is here. Buyers from Africa, Europe, America, Middle East are all sourcing from China, so you can also start doing your business in China today. This leads to our second point, which is what this means for entrepreneurs. Whether you are already in business or you are just getting started, understanding this market can be the best opportunity available today. It's about having the knowledge, being able to communicate, and build connection. If you understand this very well, you can build or grow your business faster and help others enter the market. That is what makes you valuable. Now let's talk about common misunderstanding about Chinese market and what is coming up on this channel. I usually heard people complaining about the quality of Chinese products being low or fake or not original, and that is not true. You see, I don't mean to sound rude, but you get what you pay for. Suppliers offer any level of quality according to your budget. That is why I say you do not need a huge capital to start doing business in China, as I mentioned earlier. So what is coming up on this channel? I'm going to show you step by step how to start your business journey in China. I will show you different markets to visit when you come to China, how to contact suppliers, and how to ship your goods back to your country. Everything you need to start with clarity and confidence. Now you have all the information you need to start your business in China. So if you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming video. That way you can stay informed and build your business without confusion. So see you in the next video. Peace.